Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. Chasing your pain, I'm going to explain what that means. But first, Isaiah and I, we play with a tractor tire. I'm Mike Grills, I work for Union Illustration Co. And this is... You know, I appreciate it when anyone's willing to come by and watch me work on this stuff. So thank you for being here. My biggest fear is looking like a fool. And for me, social media, YouTube, Facebook, all of it has been really hard to get into because I feel like I have to look perfect. So now this year, 2018, the challenge was to get really good at social media. And I realized right away that I actually have to be willing to look like a fool. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you why looking like a fool doesn't matter. Chase Payne is the motivational poster. What do you think it might be?
It's a mom brushing her little girl's hair, and she's saying to her, "Cry feels no pain." That was my mom brushing my hair.
Juno and I are just getting gas because tonight I'm going to be driving for like 4 hours while I drop the kids off at all their events. Now we're going to go home, very quick dinner, and then I've got to take Isaiah to fencing and Juno to dancing. What is taking so long? We're not even downtown.
I feel like we'd get there faster if we just walked.
We were held up in traffic, so we're 20 minutes late. Hey Isaiah.
Hi.
Did you get the cheese and the sausage cut?
I'm cutting cheese.
Cheese and sausage, the supper of champions. Are you sure you got everything?
Yeah.
We're 5 minutes early. Do you have your mask?
It's in my backpack. Everything in my backpack.
Okay.
My sword.
Ah, you need your sword.
No.
Did you forget your sword?
Yeah.
Oh, we were on time, but we weren't perfect.
They have extras in there. I'll see one of them. Bye.
Bye. Where are we off to now, Juno?
Dance.
How's it going?
Awful.
It's not working, is it?
No.
Okay, we made it.
Yay.
We're on time.
Yay.
How's your hair? All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
So I got both the kids dropped off at both their activities. So Isaiah's at fencing, Juno's at dancing. We've had to travel from the north of the city to the south. And now I'm going to do a bit of banking, and I'm going to turn that camera off because that shit's boring. I also had time to get some groceries and to pick up a coffee. Boring stuff is done. Now it's time to go watch Isaiah fence. Alright, we made it with just enough time. I'll be able to watch maybe 1 or 2 matches. How'd it go?
Good.
Did you win?
Mm-hmm.
How many?
3.
Out of?
3.
Nice. Right now we gotta go get Juno. Isaiah and I found this tractor tire out in the middle of the field. We're just trying to figure out what to do with it. Okay, we're home.
Yay.
Time to get ready for bed.
No.
That was fun, right? If you're having fun and you're on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. If you're on Facebook, this is all coming off my personal channel, so I need you all to share it with someone who you think might enjoy it. I promised that at the end of this video I would talk about why looking like a fool doesn't matter, and it's really simple. Almost everybody is only looking at themselves. So even now, as you're watching me look like a fool, you're thinking to yourself, I could never do that, or I see the benefits of what he's doing, so I should do that, or how do I do that? You're not really concerned with me looking like a fool. Now, if you're a family member or a friend, you might be, but otherwise, you're mostly just thinking about yourself. And that's how life works. You got to remember that everybody's thinking about themselves. They're worried what they're going to look like, not how you look. And the worst thing that they can do is just ignore you. So don't worry about it. This week's poster is called Chasing Your Pain, and it was inspired by a very important book to me that I recommend anyone who wants to build anything read. It's called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. And the first thing it talks about is you choosing your pain because you know the benefits of going through the pain and what's going to come of it. The second thing is how to not give a fuck about the rest. The things that other people tell you should care about. It's not important to you. And it's a book that will free your mind to pursue exactly the things that you want to build and you think are important in life. And I looked away. That was awesome, Mike. You had it and you looked away.
Looking, picking, man, I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the